Hello YouTubers. Have you always wanted to record your own YouTube video but you don't have the Hypercam? Well, you're in good luck today. I'm going to show you how to download Hypercam 3. So first you open your Internet Explorer, go to google.ca or .com, whatever. Oops. And then go type in Hypercam 3, click search, and click the first one. After you click it, you click download and you start downloading. After you download, you can play with it and make your own YouTube videos. Like me, right here. See, you can choose what parts of the screen you want to record and everything. I made 2 videos already, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Press the thumbs up button. Please like. Bye.